how to show sale discount percentage in Shopify. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to display discount percentage in Shopify product without using any app, and I will cover everything from customizing your time setting to using some code with no pre-recording experience. So make sure to finish this video until the end to be able to add your sale discount percentage in Shopify product without no application. So let's get started. First guys, I will show you before and after adding sale discount percentage. Then guys, hit on online store, then go and hit on view your online store. Then I will show you an example on before and after adding discount percentage in Shopify. Then hit on catalog. Then it will take you directly to product section. Then I will show you how we can I will show you before adding the product or before adding sale discount percentage. As you see guys, there is no sale discount percentage on my Shopify product. Then I will show you how you can easily add it with the simple code without using any application to make your Shopify store running smoothly. Then go back and hit on Shopify store or open the Shopify dashboard, then hit on these three dots, then hit on edit code. Then it will take you guys to directly to coding section on Shopify. Then guys, in the search bar tap card dash product dot liquid, card dash product dot liquid. Then open this code. Then you need to scroll down to 143, I think 143 guys. Just go directly to the 143 lines. Then make sure to remove or delete product on dash sale. Then select all this code. Then guys, go to description and open the link on description and copy the code. Then guys, this is the code that you will find on description. Then make sure to copy all this code, then copy, then hit on and again open your Shopify dashboard and paste it and hit on save. Then guys, your code was saved successfully. Then go back. Then I will show you guys after adding the code, then automatically your sale discount percentage, it will appear on your Shopify product. Then guys, go back and hit on view your store, then hit on catalog. As you see guys, the sale discount percentage was added and appear automatically on your Shopify product with the easy method without no application. And you can now add any product, or you can easily add sale discount percentage in Shopify product on any product on Shopify. Then guys, this is the easy method without using any application or paid version application. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.